Hello, Beshies! Welcome to another mini vlog episode on how I spent my Saturday living alone in the apartment for 1 month. So, grabe, medyo matagal-tagal ding walang pasok sa office kaya nakabakasyon din tayo mag-upload ng content. Kasi actually wala rin tayong ma-content. Lumalabas man ako previously pero parang hindi ko feel mag-video kaya ayun. So, Dodong traveled to Europe for work purposes. Kaya naman mag-isa lang tayo sa apartment. And nakakalungkot din kasi mag-isa lang. Tiis-tiis muna na umikot sa sulok ng bahay ng mag-isa. So, I made simple breakfast and I always prefer to watch while having my food kasi parang mas nafe-feel ko na ma-enjoy yung food. Buti na nga lang hindi pa Queen of Tears yung pinapanood ko doon. And after that, I started doing my normal weekend chores. Naglaba, maghugas ng dishes kasi ako iniipon ko minsan yung dishes ko like for 3 days, 2 days, ganyan. Kasi I think mas tipid sa tubig if isang hugasan lang. And I also did mini grocery. Naglinis na rin ako ng fridge kasi medyo matagal-tagal na rin na hindi nalinisan. So, ayan na nga. After ko matapos yan, nag-rest lang muna saglit and played on Dodong's PS5. Kasi feel na feel ko na talaga yung boredom ko, guys. Grabe. Then, after ko mapagod maglaro, I decided to prepare my dinner. It was about 5:30. Then, I was craving for ginisang repolyo with sardinas. Kasi nakakamiss din nung college, I remember, ganito yung madalas naming ulamin para madalian lang sa pagluluto. Then, after ko magluto, sinipag din ako mag-gym. Hindi naman talaga ako ganun ka-fitness savvy. Kaya kung mali-mali man yung ginagawa ko dyan, intindihin nyo na lang. Wala rin kasi tayong budget for trainer, mga besh. Then, after some time around 9 p.m., dumating si Mama and we did some karaoke before matulog. Aminin mo, hindi ka totoong Pinoy kung wala kang karaoke sa flat nyo. So, ayun lang. Thanks for watching, beshies!
To